Welcome back to Houston Life. If you're hunting for gifts this holiday season for a home cook, chef, camper, or collector, Serenity Knives in the Heights is the place you need to be this weekend.
It's one of those places, if you know, right? And it is their biggest sale of the year for small business. Saturday, here with more and a look at what makes their knives stand out. In the kitchen is bladesmith Daniel Cruz down at the end here, and also chef partner at Kama Hospitality, Paulo Justo. Gentlemen, welcome to you both. During the break, we're laughing because we've been rapid fire, like, what about this? How often should you sharpen?
Yeah.
Your store is so special because you carry a lot of different brands. You also have these beautiful, one-of-a-kind brands. Why is it so important for people to have a quality sharp knife in the kitchen, Daniel?
First and foremost, one of the things of having a good quality knife is you get it to last longer, and it's going to do the things that you're asking for a knife to perform consistently. A lot of the times when you're just getting a cheap knife or a full set that just has a couple of them, you're only using a couple.
It's so true.
And then you're throwing away the rest. So the cheaper steels are usually in those, and then they're not going to last as long. They're not going to be able to stay as sharp or be as performance enhanced as something that you put a little bit more quality into.
Well, I can't think of someone who would need a quality knife more than a chef on the Houston food scene. Paulo, thank you for being here. You're going to kind of show us a little demo of the knife, but tell me about this relationship with Serenity Knives, where you said, okay, this is what I'm going to use. I need this in my arsenal when I'm in the kitchen.
So I was in the market for a knife, just shopping online, and I found a knife and happened to be in Houston. So one day showed up, I think this was maybe 6-7 years ago, give or take. Showed up, met Daniel, and, you know, been clicking since. Any knife needs or anything I have, go talk to this guy.
Okay.
Well,
okay.
And also, you know that Chris Shepard is one of our buddies around here. He is like a local. A lot of people know him as James Beard award-winning chef. There he is right there. He actually stopped by to say hi to you guys before the show. So if Chris likes it, we like it as well. Jeez. What are you going to show us today, Paulo? Because clearly Chris is carving a turkey right there.
That's my favorite video of Chris Shepard, by the way. This is the most impressive thing he does. He like carves his turkey in record time. And he said when you guys gave him that knife, he didn't want to give it back. He was like, he wanted to be like, just give me an invoice.
Right.
Because Serenity Knives is a place. It's a hidden gem in the Heights, which is a great neighborhood to go check out and visit on its own. But people can get their knives sharpened there. You have collectible situations there. Here's a picture of the outside here.
Very unassuming. You're not going to know what it is until you walk past into that showroom right there, which is where all the knives, the candy store, as Paulo says.
Okay. Knife makers all over the globe. Quite the collection you have there. But yeah, like Derek said, Paulo, I'm interested in to see what you brought. I'm excited to see what you brought here. So
yeah,
what do you have?
The most important thing with a sharp knife, when we have cooks come in stage, as we call it in the industry, almost like a tryout, we have them cut chives. It's a little cheat code right here to wrap them up so they don't, you know, bounce all over the place.
Okay, love a hack.
And just by the sound, how you cut the chives, if you have a dual knife, it just sounds like they're getting smashed. So, see, just sliding through. All you hear is just the knife tapping the board. If you had a dual knife, the chives are pretty much getting smashed, and you would hear that.
Those are really good knife skills right there. I can't believe you do that so quickly. And also, it's true that a sharp knife is a safer knife, correct?
100%. You're going to get a lot cleaner cuts if you cut yourself, which makes it a lot easier for doctors or anyone to repair it so it heals a lot faster.
Oh, wow. What about how often we should be sharpening our knives and how we should store them? Because, like, honestly, I don't know if we've ever had our knives sharpened. That's not a good thing.
That's the usual MO. Understandable. If you're smashing tomatoes and chives, I'm sorry. But generally, it just goes depending on use. Someone like Paulo here is probably sharpening his knives weekly, if not every other day, because they have to stay at a very high performance. Usually, our at-home people, we see anywhere from about 6 months to a year, depending on how you're storing it. And so storing it, we have what's called high and dry. We have magnet boards in our showroom where the knives stay up and on display. Kind of adds a little bit of an aesthetic. Or you put them in blocks with the spine down, so that way you're rubbing against the spine and not on your edge, dulling your edge into the wood, or in a drawer in a small slip sheet, so that way they don't bang up against each other.
I hope our viewers can see just how beautiful these handles are. I mean, it's like, it's the type of thing that I think if you're a chef, you know your way around a kitchen, maybe someone wouldn't buy themselves this gift, so spoil them, surprise them. If we want to have our knives sharpened, Daniel, how does it work? We drop it off off for
Yeah.
you?
Usually if you have like 2 to 3, we say you're more than welcome to wait in the showroom and hang out while we take care of it. One knife only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. So a lot of our chefs, if they're in and out, they hang out, we take care of them, and you're gone. Otherwise, if you're going to go run an errand, which a lot of people do on the weekends, they'll drop off a good amount, go run a couple errands in the Heights, go have a bite to eat or a drink, and then they'll come by and scoop them up when we let them know they're ready, which is no longer than about an hour.
Okay. Well, before I let you go, is there anything I can cut here? Can I try something with one of these knives?
Yeah,
Which
whatever
would you
you'd
think?
like.
Okay.
So we have, lemon just slices right through. Carrot, yeah, go for it, by all means.
We'll go lemon, we'll go carrot. This is yours. I can use
Yeah,
this?
go for it.
Just...
What?
Well,
wow.
there you go. That was no pressure. And you guys know how strong I am. I didn't have to do any of my strength. I really did it. Look, I can look at you.
Okay, that's really interesting. So if the knives were dull, they would not go through
No,
that easily.
you're smashing a lot of stuff, especially
This is a huge carrot. Okay.
Yeah. And with them being harder things like that, having a sharp knife is one of the safer things, like you said, Derek, because if it goes off that hard vegetable, you can really hurt yourself.
Here you go, freshly sliced.
Okay,
just
good
for you.
stuff. And Paolo, how do we find you, by the way? Kama Hospitality?
So yeah, Kama Hospitality. We have our current restaurant, Kira. It's currently open. We're about to open a new restaurant in about, hopefully, a week or so. It's called Oru. It's in the Heights.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you. It's super small, 22 seats, so very intimate. Come get some sushi, come get some sashimi. Whatever
Drop
you'd
off
like.
your knives, you got
Yeah.
sharpen, and then go have the
Very good knives
sushi
in the
and
back.
sashimi.
There you go.
Daniel Cruz, Paulo Justo, thanks so much for stopping by,
Thank you all.
guys.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, and best of luck with the sale, too. They are beautiful, beautiful knives.
Thank you. Y'all.
Felt so
Very, very
powerful
cool.
holding this.
By the way, reminder, you can shop and save during Small Business Saturday at Serenity Knives. You can follow them on social. Just search Serenity Unlimited on Instagram and Serenity Knives on Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah, online, serenityknives.com, or you can give them a call, 832-860-4754, and that is how you learn more. We'll be right back.